What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Before I start, I just want to say thank you guys for the like, the comments. Like always, it means a lot for me, and I really appreciate that. And if at any time any of you guys that are not subscribed enjoyed this content, like, subscribe. Now, don't mind me. I know I'm in bed, but I was just chilling, back testing. So yeah, don't mind me. Today we took two trades. First trade was a good setup. I just didn't place my stop loss correctly, and well, I deserved my loss, and I'll show you guys why. And then I took another trade. So first trade 500, and then second trade 250, which I got it and pretty much got break even on the day. So right there, $30, $60, pretty much break even. Now there is like a $10 difference. Why? Because yesterday when I activated the accounts, I traded for 1 mini NQ, so $12 or something. So yeah, as of right now, we're two traded days on five, but it really doesn't matter since I usually take a week to pass these accounts. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know we're still looking pretty much at the beginning. Today we had no news, and now we're time to trade. Now we have news at 2, but yeah. Bank holiday Monday. Friday we have prelim. Now I told you guys I don't like this news because I get a lot of fake out. But since I'm on my eval, I'm open to look for a trade, right? So yeah, let's go to our backtesting. Select bar 30. Honestly, I'll just make it quick. And yeah, once I pass all the accounts, now the challenge will start. Like I told you guys, it's probably gonna be road to 50k in payouts, and yeah, then I'll be fully locked in, fully disciplined, bang bang bang. But as of right now, we're going with the flow until we pass the accounts. Alright, I'll just mark what's important as of right now. What can I see on the higher time frame? I can see this hourly fair value gap and this big hourly fair value gap. Now this one, yes, price is in it, but let's see on the 15-minute if we can adjust it. We can, perfect, so let's do this like that. This hourly one we can't, so we'll just leave it for now. Anything else that I can see? No. So as of right now, my higher time frame is bullish until we fill those gaps, and then I'll look at what price is telling me. 5-minute anything? I can see that the 15, so 1 hour, 15-minute, then 5-minute right there. Why not there? Well, price already got filled here at 11:20 for this gap. Okay. So what can I see? Market open. So 9:30 market open. We went and swept Asia highs, and then what? We closed below, right? So as of right now, we're still waiting because we don't know what's gonna happen. Next candle, 9:31, we go through Asia high, but still we close below London highs. Perfect. So now it's either we're gonna be in a continuation or we're gonna reverse, right? Now we can remove this line too. 9:32, we displaced our perfect. So now we know that we're looking for longs. So we're looking for our 1-minute for value gap setup, and it's aligned with our high. It's aligned with our higher time frame context, right? So everything is making sense. Now we get this 1-minute for value gap, this 1-minute for value gap, and we have this 1 minute right there. Now what did I say when we have stacked for value gaps? We wait till we validate one, and then we can see what we take. 9:34, price comes into this fair value gap box, and then what? We close above. So now this is the valid fair value gap. Now, like I said, I only trade as of right now fair value gaps. No inverse, no order block. So for this specific, so yeah, this is my specific model that I'm using for now. Anyway, 934, bang. So now the mistake that I made, and it's so stupid, but it costed me my trade. Normally, what do I do? Normally, what do I do is, once we validate the fair value gap, I wait for price to come back to the fair value gap box so I can enter, right? What did I do? Well, I was like, all right, we close above for, what is it, 2 3 points difference. It wouldn't matter, right? So what did I do? I entered my trade. Now I got filled a little bit higher, so that's why I told you guys. And I just basically got stopped out, right? Why did I get stopped out? I got filled like somewhere here. Yeah. As you guys seen, here I got stopped out. Now why? Stop loss needs to be below this line. Always have been, right? So this little mistake costed me my trade. Now, let's say if I just waited till price came back and touched this, now bang, stop loss makes sense, everything would have made sense. 1 2 3 4 5 minutes later, full TP, right? So yeah, I wanted to enter right away. My stop loss was kind of cooked and I paid the price. Anyway, from there I was like, all right, now de-risked. I was only risking 250 for 500, so I wanted to, right? And I waited for macro. So all right, 939, 940, price came into this hourly, 15-minute, 1 minute, 5-minute fair value gap, and then what? Well, we went back down. But now I was waiting for macro, so 945, 943, 944, we came back to our fair value gap, which is still valid, and we are respecting it. So as of right now, I'm like, all right, perfect. Everything is still making sense, and it's aligned with my context. Perfect. So from there, I was like, all right, we made another 1 minute fair value gap right there, and another 1 minute fair value gap right there. Now we had this buy side. 948, we displaced higher, so perfect. I know that we are still going higher. Now, what did I say when we have stacked fair value gaps? We need to wait. 950, where did we close? We closed in this fair value gap. So as of right now, we don't know if it's valid or invalid yet. We're still waiting. Then price started going down. So from there, I just entered. We don't have any other fair value gaps below. So I don't have to wait for this to be valid if price goes to the next one, right? Now, for example, if this was lower and price went up like that, then as soon as it comes back here, I can take it. Anyway, price came close to here, bang, I entered. I was still risking 12 for 50, 12 for 25, sorry, points. And does it make sense? Well, technically yes, my stop loss is right there. So yeah, everything makes sense. And then bang, full TP. As simple as that. Just keep it simple, right? And so yeah, this trade was in macro. The other trade was after market open, so 935. And it's as simple as that. I was not impatient, but I just entered right away. Price came back, stopped me out. If I just would have waited, I would have won. Or let's say I entered here. Now I got filled a little bit higher, so I should have moved my stop loss. But then I would have been risking a little bit more. But anyway, mistakes like that costed me the day. Now, at least today we're at break even, so we're still at looking good. But regardless, break even or loss, if you guys have your data, you backtested everything, that you know that losses are part of the game. But you have at the end of the month more wins than losses, and this is what we're looking for, right? Anyway, so yeah, that was the recap for today. Like I told you guys, once we get our pros account, it's gonna be a different story. We're gonna start, doing everything to perfection. But yeah, as of right now, we're just going with the flow. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, you guys already know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.